here we have a PS4 Slim CUH2215 or CUH2200 series PS4 that was sent in by a customer. You can check the model number in here, right under where it says PlayStation, right there. CUH2215, that's the same thing as the CUH2200 series. You can check out my how to check your PS4's model number video if you want to find out the model number of your PS4 Slim or PS4 or PS4 Pro. But this PS4 is not turning on, as I'm going to demonstrate in a minute. We've plugged it in. There's no beep. The light does not come on. It does not even try to turn on. And that is most likely due to a dead power supply. And I'm gonna be showing you guys how to replace that today. So let's get started. So we're gonna unplug our PS4. All right, we're gonna look at the back here. There's gonna be a little warranty sticker. Well, it used to be a warranty sticker, but it's not so much. It's not a warranty sticker anymore due to a recent FTC ruling. So we're gonna take a knife and we're gonna remove the sticker here. That's gonna reveal a Torx T8H screw that's hiding underneath. But we're gonna remove this T8H with our screwdriver here. For the next step, we're gonna remove the hard drive cover, like so. There's gonna be a Phillips screw that we're gonna remove. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, which is gonna be included in our kit, or you can buy it separately from the link in the description box. Then we're gonna remove the bottom panel like so. It's gonna come right off. Push a little bit, and then it should come off from the front. All right, now we're gonna flip the console over on the other side. We're gonna remove the top panel, which is very easy to remove. All you gotta do is stick your fingers in here and lift. It should come out. And now we have access to the power supply. This is the power supply right here. This is the culprit of our issue. All right, we're gonna remove this power supply. There's 2 Phillips screws and 2 Torx screws. We sell this Phillips screwdriver, but it's also part of our FastTech Pro toolkit. Links in the description. I'm gonna remove the 2 Torx screws as well. All right, now we've got these screws out. There's 2 other screws on the other side that hold the power supply in. We're gonna remove those as well. I believe it's this one and this one. And maybe this one as well. We're just gonna remove it just in case. Now our power supply should be free. There you go. Just gonna lift out at this point. There's a cable in the front. This cable right here, we're gonna remove this cable. You're gonna wanna pinch the cable on the sides and then wiggle. Don't use too much force. Wiggle and pull. Like that, and now the power supply is free. So that's our old power supply. We're gonna get that out of the way. We're gonna get our new FastTech power supply in. This is a N17-160P1A. This is the power supply that you need for a PS4 CUH2200 series, or CUH2215 as it's known in North America. In the description box, we sell this power supply on our website, and I'm gonna put all the models that are compatible with these. This might be an ADP 200FR if you're watching this in the United States and Canada. We put all the different model numbers that are intercompatible on our website. So if you're confused about model numbers, do check us out. So we're gonna put our new power supply in. You're gonna put this connector back in. Only goes in one way. You wanna make sure it's the right way in. All right, like that. These 2 pins right here, they must line up in here in the power supply. If you don't line them up properly, all kinds of weird things happen. So we're gonna put that in. We're gonna put the screws that hold it in. On this piece, there's 2 Torx screws. One of them's longer, one of them's shorter. The shorter one goes in here and the longer one goes in here. On the right side, you have the longer one if the fan was closer to you, and on the left side, you got the shorter one. All right. Now we're gonna flip the console over. Now, before we close everything back up, we wanna test this thing. We wanna make sure it works. So we're gonna plug it in like that. And we're gonna turn it on. And boom, it looks like it works. And boom, you got white light. So that means the console is functioning as it should. So I would say this is a successful repair. Again, all the tools and the power supply that we used, we have it listed on our website, so do check us out. I'm gonna start reassembling this thing. So I'm gonna turn it off by unplugging it, no worries. I'm gonna put the top case back on. When you're putting it back on, the back goes in first. So the back side, not the side that has PS4 written on it, but the other side goes on first, like this, right? And then you pivot the front on. Push it down, boom. Flip it over, bottom cover, front goes in first. Right, like that. We're gonna put it back on, kind of like this. And then you wanna push the hard drive band in if you didn't remove the hard drive. Like that, and then click, you should hear it click. We're gonna reinstall the Torx and the Phillips screw. Reattach this piece here, the L-shaped hard drive cover, as I like to call it. Reinstall that. And because this customer got their service done from us, they do get a 6 months warranty standard. So we're gonna put our FastTech warranty sticker on here. And we're gonna test it one more time before it's shipped back out to the customer. There you go. Blue light and white light. Looks like another successful repair from FastTech. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video if you liked it. And again, all the tools and parts that we use for this job are gonna be in the description box, and link's gonna be on our website for all these items, and you can use the coupon code YouTube for 5% off. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video if you like it, and stay tuned for more content.